Fishing with my son. He's not going to look at the camera now. I'm at my second lake for the day. Still no bites, but I'm going to fish for a few hours and hopefully get something. I did see one fish here at least, which is better than the last lake I was at. Anything to say to the fans, Shane? Nothing at all. Camera shy. Just trolling along. Second lake, a couple cabins up here on the hill. One over there and one over there. This is a pretty big lake, it's pretty long. And we're just gonna putz along this whole lake and see if we can find anything. Hopefully we get at least one fish. And thank goodness for bug spray. Look at all those mosquitoes. I don't know if you can see them on the video, but my God, they're crazy. Swarming us. I have had one bite. It hit hard, but I didn't keep them, so that sucks. Once I get around this corner up here, if I still don't have a bite, I'm going to change my hook again. This will be a fun lake kayak, eh, Shane? Pretty big. From one end to the other. Oh, there's the end over there. Oh, there's campers up there. Outhouse, something like that. Some steps there at one time, built into the ground. Oh, there's like a trail or a road there. That's cool. Beautiful area. Private boat launch. I need to do at our pond is build a boat launch like that. We got a couple kayaks there. Pretty cool. What do you think that is, Shane? Canoe or something upside down? Huh? That's a canoe, eh? Just off in the middle of nowhere. Plastic drums. Yeah. There's like a blue boat back in there too or something. Maybe someone's camping there. There's another boat. Must be private property there and boat launch. Cool. There's a couple more up here yet too. Another dock, eh? Motorboat. That's ideal, hey, being able to just park like that right there and just leave your boat and go whenever you want. That would be perfect. Canoes in there, nice forest. Be a nice little campsite back in there. Kayaks. dock. Yeah, it's ideal. Really nice. This one up here is really beautiful. Mowed lawn and everything. Very nice. Perfect grass. Beautiful spot to sit and relax. That's gorgeous. And trailers. I could stay down by the lake. House just over there. Nice house up over there. Oh, there's a house right there too. Up on the hill. Oh, maybe I had a bite. Lots of weeds here, shit. Well, we're still fishing, and we still haven't caught anything at all. It's a pretty sad day. No bites. Well, we had one big bite, and that was it. And nothing else on this lake whatsoever. So, we're just heading into shore now. I'm gonna call it a day. Because we're skunked again. Two lakes, not a thing. I've been fishing all day long. But it's a very nice lake. I've never been here before. There's lots of cabins and cool little things to see along the way, so I am very happy I came. Shane, what do you think? Happy you came? Camera shy still. Just never won't get over that camera shy. If I was a betting man, I would say Shane is ready to go home. Probably an hour ago. It was fun putting around on the lake anyway with my new motor. We're gonna go in now and call it a day, so one of these days I'll catch a fish and have something to show for it. So keep watching, stay tuned. Thanks, bye.